30.NET Certification Practice Questions. Question 1. What is the primary function of ASP.NET in web development? A. To facilitate the creation of static HTML websites. B. To develop dynamic web pages, web applications, and web services. C. To provide database management tools. D. To enhance client-side scripting capabilities. Correct answer B. To develop dynamic web pages, web applications, and web services. Question 2. Which language is primarily used for ASP.NET web application development? A. Java. B. C#. C. Python. D. Ruby. Correct answer B. C#. Question 3. ASP.NET applications can be hosted on which of the following? A. Windows Server. B. Linux. C. Mac OS. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question 4. Which of the following is not a feature of ASP.NET? A. Web forms. B. MVC. C. Routing. D. React.js. Correct answer D. React.js. Question 5. What does the ASP in ASP.NET stand for? A. Active server pages. B. Application service pages. C. Active service pages. D. Application server pages. Correct answer A. Active server pages. Question 6. What is ASP.NET Web Forms used for? A. Building REST APIs. B. Creating dynamic web pages. C. Server management. D. Database administration. Correct answer B. Creating dynamic web pages. Question 7. What ASP.NET directive is used to include a user control in an ASP page? A. %@include file is equal to usercontrol.ascx%. B. %@register src is equal to usercontrol.ascx. Tag prefix is equal to UC, tag name is equal to mycontrol%. C. %@import namespace is equal to usercontrol.ascx%. D. %@assembly name is equal to usercontrol.ascx%. Correct answer B. %@register src is equal to usercontrol.ascx. Tag prefix is equal to UC, tag name is equal to mycontrol%. Question 8. Which component in ASP.NET handles the HTTP requests and responses? A. Page controller. B. HTTP handler. C. View engine. D. Route handler. Correct answer B. HTTP handler. Question 9. What is the role of the global.asax file in ASP.NET applications? A. To store application level events and settings. B. To define CSS styles. C. To handle database connections. D. To manage user authentication. Correct answer A. To store application level events and settings. Question 10. Which of the following is an ASP.NET server control? A. Div. B. ASP. Button. C. Span. D. Section. Correct answer B. ASP. Button. Question 11. What does the page lifecycle in ASP.NET refer to? The stages in ASP.NET page goes through from initialization to disposal. B. The process of compiling ASP.NET pages. C. The steps involved in deploying an ASP.NET application. D. The sequence of database operations. Correct answer A. The stages in ASP.NET page goes through from initialization to disposal. Question 12. Which control in ASP.NET Web Forms allows for inputting multiline text? A. Text box. B. Label. C. Text area. D. Multi-text box. Correct answer A. Text box. Question 13. How do you programmatically set the text of a label control named LBL message? A. LBL message.text is equal to hello. B. LBL message.value is equal to hello. C. LBL message.content is equal to hello. D. LBL message.caption is equal to hello. Correct answer A. LBL message.text is equal to hello. Question 14. What is the correct syntax to retrieve the value of a text box control named txtname in the code behind? A. txtname.text. B. txtname.value. C. txtname.content. D. txtname.input. Correct answer A. txtname.text. Question 15. How can you trigger a button click event in ASP.NET Web Forms? A. Using the click attribute. B. Using the onClick attribute. C. Using the command attribute. D. Using the submit attribute. Correct answer B. Using the onClick attribute. Question 16. Which method is used to bind data to a grid view control in ASP.NET Web Forms? A. Data bind. B. Bind data. C. Set data. D. Bind grid. Correct answer A. Data bind. Question 17. How can you enable tracing for an ASP.NET Web Forms page? A. Add trace is equal to true in the add page directive. B. Set trace is equal to enabled in the web.co NFIG. C. Use trace.write in code. D. Use trace listener class. Correct answer A. Add trace is equal to true in the add page directive. Question 18. What is CLR in .NET? A. Common language runtime. B. Common logic resource. C. Centralized language resource. D. Common library runtime. Correct answer A. Common language runtime. Question 19. What is an assembly in .NET? A. A physical grouping of logical units. B. A type of database. C. A web server. D. A scripting engine. Correct answer A. A physical grouping of logical units. Question 20. Which of the following is a value type in .NET? A. String. B. Integer. C. Object. D. Array. Correct answer B. Integer. Question 21. What is JIT in .NET? A. Just-in-time compiler. B. Java integrated tool. C. Joint interface technology. D. JavaScript interpreter. Correct answer A. Just-in-time compiler. Question 22. What is the role of the GSE in .NET? A. Stores global variables. B. Stores shared assemblies. C. Stores application settings. D. Stores user credentials. Correct answer B. Stores shared assemblies. Question 23. Which of the following is not a .NET data provider? A. SQL client. B. Oracle client. C. OLEDB. D. MISQL client. Correct answer D. MISQL client. Question 24. What is the default access modifier for a class in C#? A. Public. B. Private. C. Internal. D. Protected. Correct answer C. Internal. Question 25. Which method is used to start a thread in .NET? A. Begin. B. Start. C. Run. D. Execute. Correct answer B. Start. Question 26. Which of the following is used for exception handling in .NET? A. Try catch. B. If else. C. Switch case. D. For loop. Correct answer A. Try catch. Question 27. What is the extension of a web form in ASP.NET? A. .html. B. .asps. C. .php. D. .jsp. Correct answer B. .asps. Question 28. Which object is used to read data from a database in Odoo.NET? A. SQL command. B. SQL data reader. C. SQL data adapter. D. Dataset. Correct answer B. SQL data reader. Question 29. What is the use of view state in ASP.NET? A. To store server-side data. B. To preserve page and control values between postbacks. C. To manage user authentication. D. To handle database connections. Correct answer B. To preserve page and control values between postbacks. Question 30. Which of the following is not a valid state management technique in ASP.NET? A. View state. B. Session. C. Cookies. D. Thread state. Correct answer D. Thread state.